Hey, what is going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about the iPhone 12. As you probably know by now, Apple is holding their special event on October 13th, and according to this huge leak by a leaker named Kang, Apple will present all 4 new devices on this event. So according to this leak, we can expect 4 devices which will come separately out to the public, and of course we have all the details we need to know regarding these devices, including the release dates, the pre-orders, and of course the prices, the colors, and everything that you need to know regarding the 4 new iPhones that are coming out. So in this video we're going to take a look at this leak and show you guys all the details you need to know regarding these new devices and when they will be released to the public. Alright, starting things off with the first device that will be released, the iPhone 12 6.1 inch. This device will be on pre-order on October 16th. So on the 13th, Apple will present it, and then 3 days after they will place it on pre-order, and it will be released to the public on October 23rd, a week after the pre-orders start. Now, the features of this iPhone are of course the Super Retina XDR display with dual lens camera with 6.1 aperture on the camera. The price of this device will start at $799 and it starts at 64 gigs, and of course you will have the option to get this device on 128 as well as 256 gigs if you want to, and of course it will have a bunch of different colors. This year you can expect the iPhone 12 to have a black color, white, red, blue, and also a green color. So this will be the first device to be released to the public, even though there's another iPhone 12 model that will come out later. And alongside the iPhone 12 6.1 inch, there will be the iPhone 12 Pro 6.1 inch as well. This device will also be released on October 16th. So 3 days after the event, you can pre-order the iPhone 12 Pro 6.1 inch, and also on the 23rd you can expect it to come out to the public. Now the features of this iPhone are the camera, including the new LiDAR scanner, which you can see on the new iPad Pro. That will come to the iPhone Pro as well, and it will have a wide angle camera with a 7p lens. Plus it will have an aperture of 1.6. Now the price of the iPhone 12 Pro 6.1 inch will start at $999, and of course it starts at 128 gigabytes. So basically the least amount of space that you can get is 128. That starts at $999. That's really cool, and you will of course have the option to upgrade to 256 and of course 512 gigabytes if you want to, for a higher price of course. Now the colors this year on the iPhone 12 Pro will be gold, silver, the new graphite, which we can see on the Apple Watch Series 6, and you will also have a choice of a blue color that probably will be the deep blue that we have seen on some renders that is expected to come to the new iPhone 12 Pro 6.1 inch. Now let's move on to the other devices that will come later this year. After the release of these 2 devices, which will go on pre-order on October 16th and then release on October 23rd, we have 2 other devices which will be released later, but they will be released separately, not together. So the first one to be released will be the iPhone 12 5.4 inch, so there will be a smaller iPhone 12. Now the pre-orders for this device will start on November 6th, and then it will arrive of course on November 13th, so of course always a week after the pre-orders start. Now it will have basically the same specs as the iPhone 6.1 inch, the iPhone 12 6.1 inch. The only change here is the size of the screen, and it will start at $699 for the 64 gigs, and of course with the option to upgrade to 120 or 256. And the last device that will come out will be the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now this one will go on pre-order the day that the iPhone 12 5.4 inch goes on sale. So it will be on November 13th, and then it will be released. It will come to your house if you pre-ordered it on the November 20th. So this will be the last device to be released this year, of course the last iPhone to be released. Now the price of this one will start at $1,099 for the 128 gigs version. Now this will basically have the same, of course, the same features as the iPhone 12 Pro 6.1 inch. The only difference will be on the camera. Last year, we have seen Apple put the same features on the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max. It's basically just a bigger device, everything else is the same. But this year they're changing things, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max will get a better camera system than the iPhone 12 Pro. So it's basically not just bigger in size, but it will have a better camera as well. Now the iPhone 12 Pro Max will have a 65mm telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom, while the iPhone 12 Pro, the smaller one, will have a 52mm lens offering just 4x zoom. So that's like a bigger change on these two phones, which used to be just like a change in size, but now you will also get a better camera system on the bigger phone. So that's the biggest change that you will see between these two phones. Of course, besides the price, they will have basically the same colors, they will have the same capacity, but they will have different cameras. So if you want a better camera, you will have to get the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which will be the last iPhone to be released by Apple this year. As I said, it will be released on November 20th. It will be released to the public on the 13th. It will go on pre-order. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are the 4 new devices that will come out this year by Apple. We will have 4 devices released at different times. 2 of them will be released at first this month, then on the next month, in a few weeks, we will see the 2 others getting released to the public. Very exciting to see what Apple will do. The most details that we have to know about these devices have been leaked, and this leak basically just shows us all the important details, all the important, basically like the colors, all the important specs that we need to know, of course, the price, the capacity, and all that regarding these 4 new devices that will come out very soon. So very exciting to see these new devices and see what Apple will do with them, what other extra features they will have, and that's about it. So let me know in the comments right down below, what do you think about these devices, and will you order one of them, and which one will you order to use on daily basis? So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one.